Hello everybody! Welcome to Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Virgin, and today I'm going to be doing a yearly reading for my Virgos for 2019. This is going to be a short and sweet video, guys, so if you want to subscribe to keep updated on when I will be posting your more in-depth reading for 2019. Now, I will be reading from the Rider-Waite, Messages from the Angels, as well as I'm going to be finding your spirit animal for the year, and that's always so much fun. If you guys would like to book a private reading, all you have to do is email me, okay? I do over the phone, Facebook, pre-recorded readings, as well as email readings too as well, okay guys? Go ahead and comment, give a thumbs up. There's a strong community here on Spiritual Findings, okay guys? I love hearing from all of y'all. All right, so let's get one card here for my Virgos for 2019. Is there any guidance, direction that they may need to start off the year with or look forward to? All right, one card for my Virgos for 2019. We have one jumping out at us, and it is the 10 of Wands. So I'm assuming that a lot of you guys are coming from a lot from 2018. This could be a toxic relationship, leaving a marriage, changing jobs, okay? You can see that he's a little weighted down here with all of the wands here, but wands also represent inspiration. So what it is that you're grasping onto, Virgo, just make sure that it is for you. It suits you. It's your calling, okay? It does you well. Make sure that if any of these wands are negative, let them off your shoulders, okay? You have enough weight here, obviously, and where you're going here, and you can see that there's a beautiful home here in the background. You want to make sure that you get there. So don't let anything stop you, okay? All right, guys, so let's just jump right to the angels. Like I said, this is going to be a short and sweet video. Subscribe to keep updated with your more in-depth reading for 2019. All right, so messages from the angels, some guidance, motivation, inspiration, anything that my Virgos could use for 2019. All right, we're going to go with this guy here. He's calling out to me. All right, we have the Lovers. Intimate relationships. Carefully weigh your decisions. Good health. Okay, so you guys have this. Before this, you have the 10 of Wands, and you come into the Lovers here. I feel there is definitely some leeches in your life, some people in your life that you really need to distance yourself from. Okay, this could be love, this could be family, this could also be business, Virgo. You know who these people are, okay, my Virgos. You guys are so sweet, so nice, and you tend to be pushovers. Well, I'll tell you what, nope. For 2019, nope. We're leaving that behind. You are growing your backbone, and you're going to make sure that what you are carrying serves you and only you, because when you do so, it's the best for you as well as everybody else in your life, okay? All right, so let's find our spirit animal, huh? Let's do it. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, this is from the Wild Unknown Spirit Animal deck, okay? I love these guys. They're fun. We'll see what energy you need to hone in from what animal, okay, guys? All right. So what spirit animal do my Virgos need to hone in for the year? The hyena. Ooh, I like this one. So you have the hyena here. I'm going to read from the guidebook that I have that came with the deck to give you a little insight on what the hyena needs to tell you. Okay, so hyenas. Humor, wit, sarcasm. The hyena personality is a jokester and crowd pleaser. That does sound familiar, doesn't it? But below the surface, there are unfulfilled dreams that need to be realized. When the hyena card appears, it's time to reflect on your own sarcasm, humor, to express your truth. Are you using jokes to hide old resentments in relationships or to mask things that you feel uncomfortable discussing? I just love how these cards just all play together. What would happen if you took your goals seriously? Guys, I am getting goosebumps from this, okay? You start off with the 10 of Wands, which says that you just have a little bit too much on your plate, okay? You're biting off a little bit more than you chew. Because for me, you're carrying a lot of weight for other people that really don't do the same for you. Okay, so we need to change that. Now, the spirit of the hyena, obviously we need to grow that backbone. Okay, we need to stand up for what we believe in. Now, you have to find a way that makes you comfortable discussing it, okay? Because I know a lot of my Virgos, you could be a little bit shy, or you just don't want to stir the pot. Maybe you have a habit of, getting that dustpan and, just putting it under the carpet, sweeping all that dust under the carpet. Stop. Because I feel since 2016, I feel a lot of my Virgos have really been losing sight of themselves. That's not going to happen for 2019, I'll tell you what. You guys are going to change completely, okay? Spirit, body, mind, everything is going to change for you guys for 2019 if you approach it appropriately. Okay, guys? So remember the spirit of the hyena, okay? Don't let your feelings go unheard. Okay, because a lot of damage can come from that, okay, guys? All right, guys, so like I said, if you would like to hear your more in-depth reading for 2019, go ahead and subscribe. Maybe give me a thumbs up, a comment, whatever you guys feel like. There's a strong community here on Spiritual Findings, and I would love for you to be a part of it. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful 2019.